Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your Nokia 9 PureView. So in the first step, always check that you have a Do Not Disturb mode deactivated. If yes, now just go to the settings, network and internet, and turn off the data saver. Now go to the apps and notifications, expand the advanced, and go to the notifications. Now slide down and choose notifications on lock screen. Choose show alerting notifications or alerting and silent notifications. After that, you can also try to update your system, so open the system, expand the advanced, and tap on the system updates. If you have any updates, just download that and install. In the last step, you can try to reset your network settings by choosing the reset options and tap on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap the reset settings, configure your pattern, and tap the reset settings again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.